Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing review on budget linear switch AKKO CD Silver for my linear bros. As expected, the packaging is really nice and you can use it as a loop station. I also compare with other competitors like Gateron Milky Yellow and not budget switch like AKKO and share my opinions. And the switch does not come pre-loop, so let's skip the loop process and jump straight to the sound comparison. Here are my thoughts on the switch. You can even use the switch in stock form as there is no wobble and got a really nice poppy sound. For my personal opinion, it is better than Gateron Milky Yellow in stock, and I recommend lubing the switch in terms of smoothness. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to hit like and subscribe to support the channel. Cheers!